Okay, we're here at the job that we're doing on Bloomfield, and the job we're doing here on Bloomfield is a fire job. As you know, this is the truck. So the job that we're doing is here in Bloomfield, and here's our dumpster. So let me see. I really want you guys to see the house. I haven't gotten that good in learning how to switch this phone over, but this is a complete fire job, and we're going to gut out the whole house. So I'll walk you through the house real quick to show you what we look like here. Here is the porta potty. I'll open it for you. Toilet. Okay, so here we go. Let's switch. Okay, everybody, we're walking into the job. Here, this is a fire job that we're doing in Bloomfield, New Jersey. And just to show you, no, I'm sorry, it's in Montclair. So we're gonna rip out all these walls. We're gonna rip out all these walls, ceiling. Okay, remove all the furniture. Just put it on the truck. This hallway, we're going to remove everything, all the walls, the ceilings. Here, we're going to take everything out of the bathroom, completely gut out the bathroom. Okay, only thing that you're going to see left in these places are just wood. Here we're going to take out the walls and the ceiling. Okay. Here we're going to take out the walls and the ceiling. Here we're going to take out just the paneling on the walls. We'll take this big old chest out. Okay. Move the mattresses, all the stuff out. Hallway, we're going to walls and ceiling. We're not taking anything up from up there. Take all the stuff out of this room. We're going to do the gut, walls, and ceiling, which is good. As I said, in the hallway, we're going to do walls and ceilings. Okay, so just know we're taking out walls and ceilings. Okay. Here in the kitchen, everything is completely gutted out. We're taking up everything. The floor, we're taking out every single thing. The house was on fire, just in case you guys didn't know. And we need to get everything out of here. Just a quick walkthrough for you all to see how we do our residential demolitions. So this is the bathroom that's in the back of the house, and I'm walking you through and just giving you a feel of how bad the fire was. We're in the kitchen area, and this is the back porch. The back porch area really wasn't affected that much, but it all has to be demoed out, complete demo. So we're going to walk through and make sure that's done. This is the kitchen. We're walking through the kitchen again, as you can see. Heading back down. Now we're heading down to the basement. All this is coming out. All the walls, all the plaster, all the junk that you see here. All this is all garbage. We're going to take all this out, and you're going to see this in the video to come right after this. Right, as soon as this piece right here ends, I'm going to show you the finished product of the basement, of how everything was cleaned out. Please just make sure you flip your camera upside down, because I kind of filmed it upside down. So here is the finished product. See, walking you through. This is it's a little dark, but this is showing you what it looks like when everything is taken out, removed. You'll see as we walk you through, you might be able to identify some of the rooms that you see here, which is really, it's kind of dark because we didn't have any light at that time. As you can see, it was in the evenings and evening we ran through it, but I just wanted to bring you closer to what it looked like once we were done. Everything is to the studs. We took all the nails out, which is very important. Make sure you please take nails out. It is very important to make sure that you're detailed. You must vacuum. That is very, very important. Details on jobs like this are so important. So important. You gotta get in the nooks and crannies. You really have to spend time and make sure that you and your team is giving this project back to whomever ready for the construction just to start. They should not have to come in and do any type of demolition at all if your job is thorough and complete as we do it. When LouHaul.com touches your job, we assure you that when we leave, all the contractors have to do is come in and do what they need to do. The contractor that was in charge of this job was very happy, very pleased, and the 6 days that it took us to do it, they really felt that they got their money's worth from a great company. We pride ourselves on detailed and making sure that we've gotten some specifics. At the end of this, you're going to see pictures which are going to give you a more clearer shot of what it looked like when we were done, and you'll get a chance to really see how much work was put into this. If you're not familiar with demolition, this is us heading down to the basement. Remember all that junk that was there? Look, gone. Gone. Electrical panel that was up there, we're taking out. Look at this. Isn't this amazing? From what you can see, sorry about the lighting again. Look, we took everything out. Everything's gone. Everything that was down there, garbage, wood, you name it, we took it out. We even look at the crawl space, cleaned out. Everything, we moved wires, we moved poles. We cut a whole lot of different things out in this basement that you probably didn't see walking through the video. See that? Now we're on our way.
Need a crowbar.
Back upstairs just to show you as we walk up the steps. Cleaned and clear everything. We left the door just for safety reasons. And the kitchen floor, we took the majority of it up. So here are the pictures. Us tearing out the bathroom. You know, what things look like when they were done. We hope you enjoy. Please, please, please subscribe. Thank you, my LouHaul.com family.